In the ever-shifting seas of today's real estate market, deciding whether to sell your home or stay the course can feel like steering through a storm. Those unpredictable interest rates, the tight squeeze of low inventory, and what selling might mean for your wallet come tax time. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Ricardo. I'm your San Diego military realtor. I've been a real estate broker here in San Diego for going on 8 years. And let's jump right into some of the positives of selling your house in today's market. Imagine it's 2018. Prince Harry is marrying Rachel Zane. Baby Shark is in full effect. And the San Diego housing market has 21,000 active homes for sale. In comes 2020, the unwelcomed arrival of COVID-19, which saw our inventory drop to at the time, historic low levels of just above 8,000 active homes for sale. Now that downward trend of inventory just never seems to stop. At the end of 2023, San Diego County just had over 5,000 active homes for sale. Now that's not just a drop in the ocean, that's a 74% decrease of active listings in the San Diego market in just 5 years. This makes low inventory your friend if you want to sell your house. Now, let's say you bought your house in 2018 when the San Diego real estate market had plenty of homes for sale and prices were very manageable. Your investment could be worth 47% more if you decided to sell today. Back in 2018, the median home price for a house in San Diego County was just $509,000. It jumped all the way up to $750,000 by the end of 2023, and the prices just keep rising. That's just not a win. That is a potential gold mine for you and your next moves in life. So I see you asking yourself, so what are the cons of selling my house then? Well, I'm glad you asked. The housing market is just as predictable as a coin toss. Sure, right now, sellers who need to sell their house, it's all sunshine and rainbows. They're getting multiple competing offers, but that's good if they don't need to buy afterwards. If you need to buy a house after you're selling your house, that same 74% drop in inventory that has you getting those competing multiple offers is gonna work heavily against you when you get tossed into the market with every other buyer who's competing for that low inventory home. You add into the mix that you're not gonna get the same rate you currently have if you were able to lock in a rate in the 2020 to 22 era, the 2.5%, 3% rates, pretty much free money. You're gonna go into this low inventory market with all these other buyers at a higher rate of about 6% or more right now. Now that means you're gonna pay more money for this house and have a higher mortgage payment for less home. Now that's a hard pill for a lot of people to swallow, and if you don't need to sell your house, you're not going to sell your house. So low inventory is a con for sellers who need to turn right back into buyers in today's market. Now onto a topic that's as thrilling as watching paint dry, taxes. Now I'm not a legal expert, I'm not a tax expert, I'm a real estate broker, so consult with your CPA or your accountant or whoever deals with your taxes, but stick with me for a second. Now I know that when you sell your home, it's like crossing the finish line and you're done with escrow, you're done with inspections, you're done with all the DocuSigns, you're done. Give me my money and let me move on to the next chapter of my life. But hold on a second. Uncle Sam in California are both gonna come for their not so small slices of your pie. Now luckily, with capital gains tax, you can avoid that if you're an individual who nets less than $250,000 on the sale, or a married couple who nets less than $500,000. That's not overall purchase price. That's just whatever comes to you. You're able to avoid those capital gains tax, save yourself a little bit of money. Taxes, I think is a con because you're probably gonna make more than $250,000 if you bought your home way back in 2018. Whether you sail into the sunset with a sold sign in your old lawn or you're happy where you are right now, just know that the best decision is an informed decision. So this market is ready for anybody who's looking to sell, and it's ready for anybody who's looking to stay. As always, thank you for joining me. If you want to learn more about San Diego real estate, watch this video next Take care and see you next time.